Lithium-ion battery fires are on the rise. In 2022 in the US, there were 117 injuries and 19 deaths. But there is a solution. US Chemical Storage builds lithium battery buildings with 2-hour or 4-hour fire-rated construction. They are customized to suit the challenges you face in storing, charging, or testing batteries. We focus on fully understanding the latest updates to important fire and safety codes and can include important features like fire suppression sprinkler systems and fire department hose hookups. Add storage space with shelves, cabinets, or work tables. Include important mechanical ventilation and climate control. Explosion-proof electrical components as well as gas, smoke, and thermal detectors will instantly notify you of an event with sound, strobes, and notifications. They keep your battery inventory safe and secure and can be relocated in the future as your needs change. Your building is designed to ship from our fabrication facility to you on a flatbed truck within DOT regulations. Modulars are available if larger sizes are needed. US Chemical Storage Lithium Battery Buildings, protecting your people, property, and the planet from lithium-ion battery risks.